This is exploring the magnification option for built-in accessibility. So I'm going to go to Settings. All right, Settings. Access. Magnifier. All right. There are a couple of options to turn on the magnifier. The first one is in Settings. You can toggle it on and off with this switch. Or you can use the shortcut of holding down the Windows and the plus sign. Then the Windows and the Escape turns it off. You can change the magnifier view. Let's see if you can change the magnifier view without turning it on. So Control plus Alt plus L. Control plus Alt plus M. All right, let's see. It doesn't seem to work. F. So let's do Control plus now. All right. Now let's see, Control plus Alt plus M. That gives me the lens view. That's the L. Control plus Alt plus M. Docks it. No. Just seems to be scrolling through this. Control plus Alt plus L is lens. Control plus Alt plus Control plus Alt plus F is full screen. Control plus Alt plus D is docking. So you can scroll over. Oh, that's weird. Okay, whatever you are scrolling over appears magnified in the top portion. All right. Control plus Alt plus L. Now you can change the screen size, the lens size. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can also make it wider. Okay. And narrower. So Control plus Alt plus R resizes. And this is just using the mouse keys. Control plus Alt plus F is full screen. Control plus Alt plus D is docked. All right. Control Escape. All right. Change zoom level. So if you do the zoom level 300%, F, that's 300%. then 400%, ooh, 500%. 400% seems to be where it maxes out for full screen. Then you can do lens. Can you still so this is 500% with the lens. L, no, Control Alt R. So this is 1000%. Interestingly enough, the cursor is not magnified. Now what happens if we come down here and we click on Invert Colors? Ooh. Collapse magnifier window to a floating transparent magnifying glass. Control Alt F. Oh. Smooth images. So we go to okay. Okay, that's without smoothing the things. Let's go back and see. Smooth the edges. Does not make any difference. Okay. That seems to be all for the magnifier.